Look guys, I want to show you that I'm not always as lucky as what my videos show. I've had a bolt snap, look, right here. But luck must be on my side today, because look what happened. I've got my punch and that is like a godsend. It's just spinning right out. So there's absolutely no point in me showing you a video on how to remove these things. This is just luck. So I'm able to turn that out with my finger, look. Alright, I've managed to get it out this far. I want to use the stud retractor tool just to get a bit more bite on it, because it's not giving me a full lip of put it over, tighten it up. Until it bites. Didn't need a lot, look. Just be gentle with it. There you go. And what you'd normally do is you'd normally get the bite over it like that. If it's stubborn, you can use a you can use a 1/2 inch drive on it to actually pull it out. But it didn't take a lot, and that is lucky. I've ordered some new bolts. I need one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the rocker cover back on, get everything back into place, ready to go. So then when the new bolt comes in, I can just torque it up to 10. So if you found that little tip any of you, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and thanks for watching.